I am super happy and excited about this one. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Asha Saxena. आज की वीडियो काफ़ी डिफरेंट है from what you have seen on my channel. So मेरे दिमाग में ऐसे ही बैठे बैठे ख्याल आया, what if I can style my top with my mom's sarees and would that be cool और क्या होगा? I don't know क्या आउटकम होगा. मेरे माइंड में तो the outfit that I have picked makes sense, but क्या वो रियलिटी में सेंस बनाएंगे? For that you have to watch the video. Let's get on to the video. So guys, ये मेरी मॉम का सारी कलेक्शन है. It's for office wear and stuff. ये बीच में से मैंने साड़ीज निकाली हैं. That's why it is hollow. अभी she's posted in Assam, तो she's not here. तो इस वजह से ये ऐसे ही रहता है. Let me show you the outfits that I've picked. So this is a long skirt that I'm going to use as a petticoat. Other than that, this is a top, sleeveless top. New it's from Wardrobe by Westside. उसके साथ I've paired this sari. I have a lot of black. I love black. You can tell. This is a Forever 21 top. इसकी जो sleeves हैं वो bell sleeves हैं. I'll show you later. तो उसके साथ I have placed this purple saree. Other than that, I have this pink, golden, red, maroon saree and उसके साथ ये golden and pink top. Then we have this blue saree उसके साथ wardrobe का top. And then we have this multi-colored saree which has some grey and white. तो उसके साथ ये grey and white crew neck. I'm seeing this, तो ये मुझे तो अच्छे लग रहे हैं. मेरे माइंड में the outfit that they make looks absolutely amazing. It's a genius one. बट रियलिटी में ये कैसे लगेंगे आई डोंट हैव अ क्लू इफ इट्स गोना turn out to be good, bad or whatever, I'm still going to post this video because this is going to be hilarious. So brace yourself to see how they look. And TMI, I am not someone who wears Indian clothes. I'm not someone who is a fan of Indian clothes just because they doesn't look good on me. Like I look like a behenji in them. तो मेरे लिए वो एक drawback है. But I do know how to drape a sari. I think I know how to drape a sari. But अभी इस वीडियो में we'll find out कि if I really know how to drape a sari. Let's go and find out if it looks good or not. So guys, my makeup is done. मैंने काफ़ी normal Indian makeup रखा है. Winged eyeliner, neutral lips. It's a very neutral makeup. मैं try करूँगी यहाँ पे एक बिंदी लगाने का तो ताकि थोड़ा और Indian feel आए. But I've kept my hair open क्योंकि most of the time women keep their hair open. जब हम शादी में जाते हैं या कहीं भी जाते हैं तो we try to keep them open. That's why they're open. I'll try to tuck the front pieces behind my ears ताकि थोड़ा clean look आए. But other than that, I'm ready. And these are the two pair of jhumkas I'd probably wear. One is this one, and the other one is this one. So I'm gonna alternate between them. But as far as I'm concerned, I'm almost ready and very excited for the video. So let's go. So guys, I am ready with my petticoat and blouse. इसके ऊपर I'll try and drape a sari. Now wish me luck. And I'm also going to remove my mic क्योंकि mic बीच में रहेगा तो I can't drape it. Wish me luck. So guys, there was no audio here, so I am here to explain कि क्या हो रहा था. तो as you can see, I was struggling badly while draping the saree. उसका main reason ये था कि मेरे पास कोई शीशा नहीं था, तो जो भी चीज़ें मैं कर रही थी अपने आइडिया के हिसाब से कर रही थी. और शायद इसी वजह से जो लास्ट में साड़ी का एक फुल लुक आया वो इतना परफेक्ट नहीं था. बट लेटर ऑन जो और कॉम्बिनेशन हैं वो मैंने जब शीशे के सामने परफेक्टली ड्रेप करे तो दे वर अमेजिंग एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी अबाउट दैम. सो गाइज दिस इज माई सेकेंड आउटफिट. मैंने इसके लिए ये वॉयलेट कलर की साड़ी चूज करी है विद दिस ब्लैक टॉप दैट इज फ्रॉम फॉरएवर 21. इसकी थोड़ी काइंड ऑफ बेल स्लीव टॉप है. आई रियली लाइक दिस टॉप. पर मैं गाइज यहाँ पे आपके सामने नहीं पहनूंगी. मैं अंदर जाके अपने मिरर के सामने पहनूंगी ताकि बेटर हो क्योंकि मैंने पिछली बार बिना मिरर के पहना था. यू नो द ड्रिल. सो आई विल बी राइट बैक. सो गाइज दिस इज हाउ दिस साड़ी केम आउट विद दिस टॉप. एंड एक्चुअली दिस इज आई थिंक आई लव दिस वन सो मच बिकॉज द ड्रेप लुक्स गुड. इट इज अ काइंड ऑफ अ वेरी perfect combination of Indo-Western because बहुत ही simple है, so the combination is just very elevated. Other than that, it is giving me very socialite charity vibes which I'm digging for sure. So I think I love this one. And पीछे से वो साइड से शो ना हो, I have kind of tucked it inside my sports bra. That might be a bit helpful, but इधर से it looks good, पीछे से it looks good, on from the side से it all look good. So I think it's a win-win. So guys, I'm not kidding, but I have to say this is my favorite look. मैंने last वाले के लिए भी कहा था कि that was my favorite, but I really like it. I actually can wear this one out. This is my shimmer top, which is a two-way top, and I pair it with the sari. Now, one thing that I have in my mind is this part looks a bit heavy, but it looks heavy on camera, but in reality it doesn't look that heavy. So I can actually wear this one out. It's modern, it's minimal, it's cute and everything. I like this one. So let's move on to the next one. So guys, I am actually shocked कि ये कितना अच्छा लग रहा है. And we started at a very flimsy note. मतलब मुझे भी शुरू में लगा था कि it's not going to be a good idea. But as we are trying on, I think I love this one because this is giving me modern vibe. This is giving me Sabyasachi vibe, जिसमें your sleeves are like this and it's kind of a mix match of things. जहाँ की साड़ी बहुत ही simple है, but yet the whole look looks very classy and elegant and kind of a party wear theme. I really like this one. It's like super nice. If you haven't tried wearing sarees with your tops and blouses, just this is your sign to do it right now. It's getting better and better and better. So I am super happy and excited about this one. So let's move on to the next one. So guys, I can't decide कि मेरा favorite इनमें से कौन सा है because I absolutely love this one. This is very like classy, modern and everything. I can definitely wear this one 120% out. It's very chic and modern and it's everything. I'm just so in love. Let me show you how cool this side looks. And on this side, everything makes sense with this one. And I'm just so in love. This one is by far my favorite. Tell me which one is your favorite. Okay guys, so this concludes my video. So these were the 5 options that I tried today, and I was very skeptical at the beginning, but जैसे we have tried more looks, it kind of get better and better and better. And I have to say this one is my favorite. मैंने कुछ भी plan नहीं करा था. It was on a random order, but this one is my favorite. I absolutely love this one. It looks so nice. Let me know which one was your favorite in the comment section down below. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.